Do you dream of a peaceful, worry-free retirement? Imagine spending your golden years stress-free, without financial worries. Let's find out how you can secure your future today with smart retirement planning. Retirement planning isn't just about saving money, it's about securing financial freedom for your golden years. Without proper planning, you might face rising medical expenses, inflation affecting your lifestyle, dependence on children or external support. But with the right approach, you can live a life of dignity, comfort, and financial independence. When planning for retirement, consider these key goals: maintaining your current lifestyle, covering medical costs as they rise, protecting against inflation, leaving a legacy for your loved ones, fulfilling personal dreams like travel and hobbies. Let's break down the essential steps for effective retirement planning. Define your retirement age and goals. Estimate your retirement corpus. Identify current savings and income sources. Select investment options. Plan for insurance needs. Periodic review and adjustments. Creating a solid retirement plan involves 6 crucial steps. Step 1. Define your retirement age and goals. Decide your ideal retirement age. List monthly expenses and lifestyle expectations after retirement. Step 2. Estimate your retirement corpus. Calculate future financial needs considering inflation. Example, if you need 50,000 rupees per month today, you might need 1 lakh rupees per month in 20 years. Step 3. Identify current savings and income sources. Assess your existing investments like PPF, EPF, mutual funds, and LIC policies. Identify passive income sources like rental income or dividends. Step 4. Select investment options wisely. Mix guaranteed return plans with market-linked investments for growth. Step 5. Plan for insurance needs. Health and critical illness insurance are essential. Life insurance ensures financial support for your family. Step 6. Periodic review and adjustments. Review your plan every few years. Adjust for inflation and changing financial conditions. Choosing the right investment options can make a significant difference. Diversify with LIC Jeevan Akshay 7, NPS, and mutual funds for balanced growth and security. Choosing the right investment options is key to balancing risk and rewards during retirement. Let's explore the best options available. Guaranteed return LIC plans. LIC Jeevan Akshay 7 provides an immediate annuity with guaranteed payouts for life. LIC Jeevan Shanti, deferred annuity offering guaranteed income after a specified period. Market-linked plans for wealth creation. LIC Pension Plus, ULIP, a market-linked plan allowing long-term wealth creation for retirement. Balanced retirement strategy. Step 1. Start with LIC Pension Plus early in your career for market-linked growth. Step 2. At retirement, switch to LIC Jeevan Shanti or Jeevan Akshay 7 for guaranteed payouts. This strategy ensures both wealth creation during your working years and guaranteed income post-retirement. Many people make critical mistakes when planning for retirement. Starting too late, and the earlier you start, the better your corpus grows. Ignoring inflation, 1 lakh rupees today won't have the same value in 20 years. Relying only on family, financial independence ensures dignity. Underestimating healthcare costs, medical inflation can drain savings. Avoid these mistakes and take control of your financial future. Meet Mr. Sharma and Mr. Gupta. Mr. Sharma started planning at 30. He invested 10,000 rupee monthly in LIC Pension Plus. By retirement, he built a 2 crore rupees corpus. Mr. Gupta started at 50. His corpus was half due to late planning. Lesson: start early for a financially secure retirement. Retirement planning also helps you save taxes. Section 80C, deductions for LIC premiums, EPF and ELSS. Section 10D, tax-free maturity benefits from LIC plans. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, special benefits for seniors. Smart planning not only secures your retirement but also reduces your tax burden. Start planning today with the Smart All-in-One Calculator app. Download now. Link in the description. Calculate your retirement corpus. Compare LIC plans and benefits. Make informed decisions with ease. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on insurance and financial planning from Insurance Funda.